I think that's all.
Google Cloud Next on Air is on now. New content every Tuesday. Watch anytime, on demand. Make a playlist. Watch what you want, when you want. You decide what's next.
This is it. We've reached our final week of Google Cloud All Digital Nile Week Next on Air series. And we couldn't have done it without all of you. To our watchers, partners, developers, to everyone who has built, watched, or benefited from this program, we offer our heartfelt thanks for taking this incredible journey with us. I'm Abdurrahman Jai.
And I'm Naeem. COVID might have sent us all home this year, but it allowed us the chance to bring you more than 100 hours of team content, including weekly keynotes, 8 industry insight, and over 200 breakout sessions. It's all available now on demand. We've packed week 9 with one more two-punch of business application platform. The exciting stuff. With two keynotes. One of them I will mention is from Amit Zavari, leads, which under the name Powering Business Application with API Microservices, Artificial Intelligence in no-code app development, and also their grand finale features Google employee #8 who shaped Google's infrastructure, exploring the future of computing and hidden forces. What's the next in enterprise IT?
Mark your calendar on next week. We will do a recap of all the 9 weeks at the same time. Join us for a live recap and Q&A, and keep learning with Study Jam, Cloud Hero Games, and the weekly training and certification discussions. You can still curate your own custom playlist, rate our sessions, and hit Open Q&A to post your questions or comments about sessions or demos. We'll reply within the 24 hours.
And until then, let's keep the conversation going on social media. We'd love to hear your feedbacks, your comments, and everything. take this into consideration that we have next week the grand finale. We will recap everything. So always use hashtag Google Cloud Next in hashtag GDG Casablanca. And we thank you so much, and we hope you continue to connect with us, engage with us, and discover with us Google Cloud Next on air. Hello. Hello and welcome to Next on Air Casablanca's extended podcast. We are GDG Casablanca organizers, and thank you so much for taking the time to join us and also the journey of 9 weeks with us. Business application platform, that's our focus for the final week at Next on Air. All throughout today and the rest of the week, they did hear more from their customers, partners, and colleagues on how Google Cloud is leveraging the power of APIs, no code, and automation to truly democratize the space of application design and development.
Yes, with the effect of COVID-19, it accelerated digital transformation, uh, and that emerged as strongly across all the customers and partners conversations. Digital transformation journey have been forced to accelerate over this period, with years of transformation being pushed forward within just a few months. This new world normal is creating major shift in almost every industry. In healthcare is the proliferation of telehealth. In retail, it's the shift from in-store shopping spikes to an ongoing increase in online shopping. In physical supply chain, it's the ability to adapt rapidly to change with the help of technology. So, to help accelerate the delivery of these new experiences and more today,
I'm super excited to formally introduce you to Google Cloud Business Application Platform. I hope you are seeing it on the screen. Yes. Business Application Platform helps you take digital innovation beyond just the IT organization and accelerate your ability to transform the business. Their mission is to develop a unified solution that empowers both technical developers as well as business developers with the ability to create and extend application, build and automate business workflow, and connect and modernize legacy applications.
yes, as part of the strategy, they will enable users with a consistent way of accessing services data and functionality via APIs despite complex packets. They will empower developers to rapidly build data driven applications with no code, simplify the complexity of integrating apps, extending applications, and automating businesses processes, and arm users with the ability to extract insights from data by simple yet powerful self-service business intelligence tools.
This is where Looker plays a key role. Let's roll the video.
Data. It's everywhere. With every click, swipe, view, purchase, and shipment, your business creates data. And all that data can help you run your business better. But how do you analyze it? Some solutions are too complex. Only the data team has access, which forces everyone to wait for answers. And wait. And sometimes they give up and stop asking. Other solutions let everyone do their own analysis, but only with parts of the data. So no one has the big picture. How can you give everyone in your company a consistent and reliable picture of what's happening in your business? You turn to Looker. a data platform that's speedy to deploy and can work on top of any analytic database. Looker makes it simple to describe your data and define business metrics that the entire company can agree and rely on. Once you have a reliable source of truth for your business data, anyone on your team can analyze and explore it, ask and answer their own questions, create visualizations, and drill down to row-level detail. Then everyone can share discoveries with a simple link, and every answer becomes the inspiration to explore more. Looker, a data platform that both data analysts and business teams can rely on.
Um, I hope the video was enjoyable. So, Looker, they will do this in the cloud. Sorry, I'm back. So they will do this while taking into consideration leverage, Google Cloud investment in the space of hybrid and multi-cloud data and analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, lifecycle management, and security and productivity in collaboration. So let's deep dive into some of the areas of business application platform to better understand the new services and updates we are having for you today.
The first area is unlocking digital innovation with API. APIs are the foundation of digital transformation, and APG provides enterprises with the mechanism to build an API for strategy. The momentum of the strategy is evident by the significant growth of API adoption, the adoption that they are seeing among customers. APG, APG has long helped companies innovate internally, whether it's in their application modernization journey or in delivering connected experiences to the end customers.
But the big question is, as we say, but a lot of enterprises today are looking at how they can leverage the power of API to co-innovate with partners and developers. So let me highlight this with the real-world examples from one of Google's customers, Bank BRI, a large Indonesian bank which leverages APIs to create a new revenue channel. Bank BRI saw an opportunity to take their priority scoring service and put it into the hands of 56 million of people of Indonesia who didn't have the access to banking services. So they took their service and made it available to a network of branchless agents via an API. These agents can now help new customers open accounts and get loans.
This API-led digital transformation strategy has helped Bank BRI to drive down the partners' onboarding timeline from 6 months to 1 hour, increase revenue from branchless agents by 17%, 70%, and contribute 50 million US dollar in revenue to the bank's bottom line through modernization of APIs. This bank is just one of the many enterprises that are accelerating their digital transformation journey with APG. These enterprises span different industries as well. In fact, when we look across industries, they notice that when they have looked on across industries, they notice that the majority of the top global companies within each industry are using APG. As a result, Gartner and Forrester continue to recognize APG as the market leader in API management, Google's leadership in and innovation, and has been possible thanks to their customers and partners.
And they
Let's
continue. Yeah. Oh,
let's
sorry,
go
the
on
video is
for
on.
APG.
I apologize.
Today, you can book a flight, reserve a hotel, find the hot new restaurant nearby, and pay for your car service, all with your phone. No big deal, right? We expect to have all these things connect. It's how we live. But What about how we work? Changing the way your company operates to deliver connected digital experiences to your customers, partners, and to your employees can be very hard. Making it happen in today's enterprise landscape that includes on-premises, private and public clouds, SaaS, and all kinds of hybrid environments is complicated. Making it happen fast enough to compete can be downright impossible. Unless you're built to operate in a multi-cloud world. But what does it mean to be a digital business in a multi-cloud world? It means all the value you've already built down here can talk to the new projects you're building for today, even as today's projects are innovating much faster, so fast that old technology can't keep pace. The only fast, affordable, and scalable path to digital is with APIs. APIs make it possible for developers to connect the experiences and apps we use every day and unlock the value of your data and assets for your customers, partners, and employees. All this across any cloud. But how you securely deliver, manage, and analyze APIs, data, and services both inside and outside an organization is the real advantage. When your app launches, are you ready for the storm? Can your APIs handle device scale securely? Can you manage developer ecosystems? Can you open up to partners and spur innovation? Can you handle the IoT? And can you analyze your API data to see problems before they happen? The Apogee Cross-Cloud API platform allows your business to secure, manage, scale, analyze, and connect all your APIs. It gives you control over and visibility into the APIs that connect applications and data across the enterprise and across clouds. It's a proven platform built for growth, your growth. As the leader in digital transformation, we partner with hundreds of customers to unlock the value of their data by securely exposing back-end systems at scale. Manage the entire API lifecycle, and with developer portals, accelerate growth with partners, makers, and innovators, internally and externally. Even use predictive analytics to predict behavior, detect bad bots, and scale when the time is right. Whether you're starting small with a project, building a larger program, or going all in with your own digital platform, the Apogee Cross-Cloud API platform builds the right foundation for your digital future in today's hybrid cloud world.
And nice video. Google has continued to listen to their customers to bring new innovation to the market. Over the last 12 months, they have shipped over 55 new releases, and they are not stopping here. In the next 12 months, they will be doubling on supporting multi-cloud and hybrid deployment models for their customers. Their goal is to provide you with extensive flexibility in deployment option to support your modernization journey, be it with OpenShift, IKS, and so on. Do you know that combining artificial intelligence and machine learning, with the API can yield huge benefits in empowering data collection, security and process efficiency. They will be investing more in this area to enhance the API development, operation, and security capabilities with integration with the Cloud Armor and reCAPTCHA. Google will support modern architectures and DevOps with the capabilities such as Envoy-based gateway, CI/CD, and SCM integration in support for the serviceless workload.
Security and compliance is top of mind for them. They will continue to focus on making it easy for you to build secure APIs with customer managed encryption keys, VPCAC, and other future enhancements. They have a clear focus and a robust roadmap to leverage the latest innovations in technology to help you in your digital transformation journey. And one of the key areas of focus for them recently has been serverless. According to Gartner, More than half of global enterprises will deploy a serviceless function platform by 2025. And it is no wonder that one of the recurring themes they hear from their customers is helping them manage their serverless APIs with simplicity, security, and scalability.
So they continue to work with a large number of customers across the globe. They want their expertise in the API to help their serviceless use cases to share these services with other team or extend them publicly. To bring this API first approach to everyone, they announced a new offering, API Gateway. API Gateway is fully managed by Google Cloud, built with the latest technology of Envoy with the developers in mind, which will, which will which developers can use the API Gateway to create, secure, and monitor APIs from their cloud-run cloud functions, App Engine, and other Google backends. This also comes with plugins for Google Cloud login and monitoring tools. They already seen great adoption for this product by enterprises such as Viola. So now let's move on to the second area of focus, accelerating app development with AppSheet.
APIs help you unlock innovation, but to accelerate it, you need to rethink your workforce to expand your application development bandwidth. Specifically, I hear from enterprises that they want to empower uh, the line of business workers to build applications, but within the gradual prescribed by IT. In fact, Gartner forecast by 2023, the number of active citizen developers at large enterprises will be 4 times the number of professional developers. So, to help their customers in this effort, earlier this year, they acquired AppSheet, the leading no-code platform to help organizations democratize the process of applications development with an API first and business centric approach.
AppSheet enables everyone in an organization to create apps fast without coding. You can easily connect to existing data sources, including G Suite, MySQL, Salesforce, and others, customize your application interface, and then deploy to mobile and desktop devices with just a click of a button. This shortened development timeline considerably, and AppSheet is an industry leader in a no-code market. A customer, for example, who's leveraging AppSheet to accelerate application development is Solvay, an advanced material and specialty chemical company. The adoption of AppSheet added a new component to solve a digital way of working, especially in the planned specific process that were paper driven.
This company has successfully built a workforce of employed citizens who can create robust apps without formal software development training. Today, Solvay has almost 400 different app creators and 4,000 end users spread out across the world. So while Solvay is a great example of a company that uses plan-specific use cases with no code app development, it actually can be also used to power the last mile digitalization of a number of businesses processes across industries. So at Google Cloud, they are furthering their investment in the no-code space and releasing several new capabilities over the next 12 months.
They are leveraging Google industry-leading artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to enhance the automation experience by providing features like smart apps and automation recommendation, upcoming features like media capture, material UI, also material UI to further enhance the app experience for users. They are also adding several new connectors and, most importantly, features like role-based access control that will help you scale your no-code efforts with the governance and security. Google investment do not just stop here. They are putting no-code app development together with API management, and today we are announcing the general availability of API data source for AppSheet.
This greatly benefits no-code developers by giving them access to important data that's accessible by APIs and speeding up the process of APIs to app development. Now, API teams can benefit from this launch as they will be able to increase the usage and the consumption of their API product by extending them to no-code developers within their organization or outside partners. Now let's move on to the third area of focus: driving process automation with AppSheet automation.
Automation has been a strong theme across all industries and has influenced how enterprises are reshaping their digital strategies since long before this pandemic. Now it's taken on a new urgency in the context of business risk and resiliency. According to a recent report by Forrester, 57% of global data analytics decision markers are enterprise said their firm had implemented automation technologies or were in the process of doing so. To help customers with this effort, I am so happy to announce AppSheet Automation for Early Access. AppSheet Automation enables all employees to quickly automate existing process without coding, driving further efficiency within enterprise.
Let's look at an example. Like sales teams would rather spend time building relationships and engaging with customers and prospects. Instead, a considerable amount of time today is spent on repetitive tasks such as updating the CRM system, setting up the clients and the billing system, and inputting data into sales metrics and monitoring systems. AppSheet automation can streamline each of these activities to increase productivity. Now, everyone in your organization can easily connect to a large number of data sources like Salesforce, MySQL, O365, O365, and G Suite and leverage this data to model automated business process via an intuitive user interface. AppSheet automations features an intent-driven authoring experience powered by AR. It also features comprehensive administration and governance capabilities for centralized enforcement and monitoring of policies.
And for many of their customers, having a unified and consistent experience for both no code application development and also no code process automation within AppSheet is an important value proposition. Customers like Other Energy are looking to automate their existing process with AppSheet automation. As you can see, there is a lot of synergy here. They are bringing all these existing technology together under the umbrella business application platform. To wrap everything up throughout this week, please check out the website for more info on the announcement we made today to view the product demo. And do tune in and participate in multiple breakouts from Googlers, Google customers, and partners. Thank you so much.
Google Cloud Next on Air is on now. New content every Tuesday. Watch anytime, on demand. Make a playlist. Watch what you want, when you want. You decide what's next.
Welcome back to the final week of Google Cloud Next 20 on Air. We are JDG Casablanca organizers, and here are the highlights from business application platform you will want to add to your playlist.
Hidden Forces What's Next in Enterprise IT is their main keynote featuring Google's employee number 8, Holden, who has led Google technical infrastructure team for 21 years.
A bonus solution keynote powering business application with API, microservice, AI, and no-code app development shows you how to unlock new business opportunities with VP GM of platform Amit Zafari.
Standout breakout session this week include build AI-powered apps, turn business employee into developers with AppSheet, and how to build and manage secure APIs for Anthos workload.
Want to learn the steps you can take to help grow the diversity and inclusion of underrepresented group in your workplace in this DUI session from one to more? Why sharing our narrative matters?
Get your certification questions answered by expert Googlers and walk through guided hand-on labs during the Cloud Study Jam in Business Applications platform.
Pair that study jam with these demo API, for lifecycle API management and also no-code app development with AppSheet. Got any specific cloud question or want to dive deeper? Click Explore, hit Connect, and book 15 minutes one-on-one with Google experts. If you miss any content from the past 8 weeks, relax. Everything is available on demand so you can watch it anytime from the comfort of your own bed. Mark your calendar for next week full recap of the cloud of Google Cloud Next on Air week. Until then, let's keep the conversation going on social media using hashtag Google Cloud Next and hashtag JDG Casablanca. Thank you so much. And remember, we might have a دارجة بودكاست غادي نهضروا على لي تكنولوجي كاملين اللي درنا في خلال هاد 9 weeks اللي دازو. نحاولوا نديروا واحد التلخيص صغير. نتلاقاو بكم ان شاء الله. باي باي. See you.